So let us start with this Google Colab. So let me maximize this screen and let me show you the process how to run a Python program from the scratch, how to open it and all these details. So in order to show you the entire process, let me open a new tab and then if you want to use Google Colab, uh, just search with Google Colab on your Google Chrome web browser. And the first link that you will get, you can click on that to make use of that Python editor, Google Colab editor. So, or you can directly type this colab.research.google.com. That will also work. So let me just click on this first link and it will take me to a website, and as you can see it gave me a dashboard like this. Here basically you can create a new notebook. This is a naming convention. So here if you click on this new notebook, it will open a new Python notebook for you where you can type your code. It may take some time uh, based on your internet connection as well as Google server speed and all these things. And after it is successfully executing, it will give you this web page. So here, if you want, you can rename your Python program. Let's say your first Python code or something like that, and now you are all set. And just to remember, you really do not need to install anything. So here if you want to do something, let's say print the same program, let me write it down, welcome to UAF, and if you just run it, it will run properly. Just it may take some time, so just wait for a few seconds or so and it will give you the output eventually. The first time, since it is loading, it may take a little bit of extra time, so be patient and it will execute it for you. So as you can see, it is executed successfully and printing the result. Now, the best part about using this Google Colab is the file that you have just created, this Python code, it is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So let me show you how it is saved. So let me go to my Google Drive over here. And if I just go to this first link, you can directly go to this drive.google.com, and here as you can see, this first Python code is already saved. Basically, you can see that there is a folder called Colab Notebooks is automatically created, and if you go inside this Colab notebook folder, you can see your first Python code notebook that you have just created. So let me just close in here, and just to show you, if you just double click this one, you will see that the same Python notebook that you have just created, it will open. It may take some time, so it is here. Now, if you want to download it locally, you can click on this file button here, and here you will get this download option. Now you can download as in two different way, just as a raw text Python file, which will download this same code with a .py extension, that is first Python code with .py. So .py, so it is giving me some warning, so let me just ignore this and keep this file. So it is just saved as .py file. And also, if you can download it in another way called .ipynb. So that is also another, this stands for IPython notebook. So this is another way to download it. We will learn about more detail in the end of this course regarding these two different extension. But for now, this is the way how you can download it. If you just click it, you will see that the same code that you have written here will be opening in your local machine. So this is a small introduction to Google Colab, how you can create a notebook and start writing your Python code. Now in Google Colab, there are several other facilities that we will start learning from the next videos.